Hi, this video is going to show you how to add YouTube videos to your GroovePages. So if you want to add YouTube or Vimeo videos to your GroovePages websites in your, to using your GroovePages funnels and your GrooveFunnels, those types of things, this quick tutorial is going to help you out. My name is Chad Nelson. Let me walk you through this. And let's let's go ahead and go into the GroovePages account. This is my account here. You can see I have some sites. Let's just go ahead and we'll start from scratch with a new site. I typically use a template. You can add a video to any of the websites, whether or not they have a video on them already. But let's start with one that has a video placeholder already built in. So I'm going to go ahead and hit select. And the page is going to come up. So if I click directly anywhere on the existing thumbnail of the video here, my right menu is going to pop out. And I'm going to go ahead and hit configure. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and put the code for your video in here. So this requires a step of already having a video uploaded to YouTube. And I want to make a video on how to do that as well. So just know that you already need to have your video uploaded either to YouTube or Vimeo. YouTube is the easiest, it's free. Vimeo is a paid service. That's another video hosting service like YouTube. So let's come over to my account. So here's a video here that I have already uploaded. So if I click on it, I'll just go ahead and pause it out. And then you come over here to the share button, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit copy. Now we only need the last numbers here after this slash, or the last numbers and letters. However, Google doesn't really let you just, or YouTube doesn't let you just grab those. So I just copied the whole thing, and then I come over here and I hit Control V for paste. That's Control V as in Victor. And then let me just go ahead and delete this out right here. And it leaves just those numbers that were after the slash. If I hit update, there's the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and hit save. Let's go ahead and click on publish. I'm going to have GroovePages host the site. So let's just go ahead and call this test video so we can see what it's like. And I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Let's click on this. The web page comes up and there's the video. If I hit play, there's my video. So let's go, and you could start running ads to this, you can start getting leads to this, it could be anything that you want for any video. Let's just say, let's scroll down a little further and say you had a page or a web page or website you were building and you wanted to add a video to a page that did not have a container for the, or a place to put the YouTube video yet. So you could come down, you could actually drag, let's come over to elements, you could drag, if you scroll down a little bit here, the video YouTube into one of these areas already, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to undo that. Or if you wanted to kind of create your own area, let's just say I want to put a video in here in this area, I would come up here and I would go ahead and grab a blank one column container. Now let's go ahead and drop this in here. Then now I have created a new one column container. You can see that. Now let me come down to YouTube and drag this over into it. So again, what we have here is we have the default one. I don't like it this big, so let me show you a couple of tricks. So if you click anywhere on the thumbnail, we're going to come over here to the right-hand menu, and let's go to sizing. So you can see it's full right now. I like to select pixel. It kind of disappears on you, but it's still there because the pixel's gone so small. Let's slide it out. I like them around the 400, maybe 500 pixel range. So I like that size if you're going to fit it into some other elements. The one thing that I don't like is this is on the left-hand side. So since we're clicked on the video itself, it's not giving us the options we need. We need to click so that we get the whole element or container here. And you can see the green outline on it. And once you click on that, you can see we had another thing here pop up called layout. So on layout, we want to click, and if you can see this here in the video, this is the centered section. So now I just clicked and centered it. So let's go ahead. Now we have a video in here that's centered. So if I wanted to switch this video out as well, I would come over here to configure. Sorry, I have to click back on the video itself. I was on the container. Now we come over to configure. Let's go ahead and just use the same video since I had it. Remember, we just want the digits afterwards. So let's get rid of everything except for what was after the slash. Hit update. Go ahead and hit save. And then for these to go live, you do need to hit publish. Did I hit that? Should have done it. So let's go back over to the website. And as you can see here, there's no other video here. Let's go ahead and hit refresh. Give it a second here to refresh. It's already refreshed. Oh, there it is. So here's now the video. If you didn't have video and it's smaller, you can make this any size you want, left hand, right hand side. You could have added a second container, put some video over here. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial video.